is March 26, 2021. This one here I got a call for how to hook up a refrigerator line for a guy. He said something about a ½ inch or something. Usually it's a ¼ inch line to hook up a refrigerator, ice maker type of thing. I always kind of like to use copper instead of that plastic shit, because the plastic stuff, the mice can get on there and eat it, so I always go copper. But yeah, he called me in off the phone. He wants me to go by there and hook it up for him properly, so no problem. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. Oh yeah, we're working again. Nice little sweater you got there, Molly. Oh yeah, you're quite a fashionista. It's getting to be nice weather out. I mean, it's probably 50 degrees out this morning. I'm not even wearing a coat, so weather's starting to change. We're having some nice weather to get out and do stuff outside. Make it. I need another battery.
Oh, you do?
Kinda high. I'm just around $3 grand, and I got a good little piece of land there. What? Didn't need to go much more. I mean, it was right there, but it is what it is. Alright, gonna be 57 this year. So, I mean, been there a long time. I probably should have got something better, but.
Well, my sister went out of the house and got left the keys way down Smith Neck Road.
Insulation down there. Oh, she is?
Yeah.
That's not a bad area.
Right.
And this plastic one, we're just going to cut this out of here. You don't need it, right?
No, not at all.
Yeah, because what happens is the mice will eat this stuff. The mice will eat it. And make a flipping mess. It's kind of all mucked up anyway, so like I said, you're better off with the copper.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. All it takes is, you know, you get a little mouse, especially in the country here. Next thing you know, they chew through it. Now you got a flood. They're not gonna chew through the copper. I'll go downstairs, hook it up downstairs first, and then come back up here and connect it. Valve's right there. Pull the old one out. Cut the old one out and get this other one where we need to go. Teflon. You put a little bit of pipe dope on that. That ferrule works a lot better like that. That's a little tip. It'll help it go in a lot better. I think he might have a well here, I'm not sure. So, kind of in the country. Saddle valve, I'm going to reuse the saddle valve. It was here, so we'll leave it. pipe dope helps it. It just runs right up over there. We'll put a service loop on the back of it, and it should be good. I'm gonna get another nut out of the truck, looks like. So I'll put a loop on it.
Basement had junk everywhere, and I inherited 110 boxes from my father's house in Virginia. But then I had to clean it up because I just had the basement. At the start of the week, I had it waterproof, like partially waterproof. Everything got stacked, and there's much more room down there.
You got a well here, or what kind of water?
No, we get the city well.
You got the city water?
Yeah. Future job for you, because it's the faucets on the bathroom side. Opposite side of the house from where you are, the water comes out slow. Somebody told me it's calcium going up.
Yeah, it could be minerals or whatever. I call it cholesterol. Sometimes it's in the faucet, sometimes it's in the piping. Most of the time it's in the faucet. Looks like you got a lot of PEX in this house.
A lot of what?
PEX. PEX tubing, plastic.
Oh, okay. That's the cheaper way to go, isn't it?
Well, not always better, but... Yeah. All these new plumbers, the young plumbers, that's what they do, all this cheap shit. Keep the price down, I guess. Alright, we'll go turn it on and see if we got any leaks. Should be fine, but I'm gonna check it. I'll always double check. So the way I have it here, I got a service loop so you can pull the refrigerator out. See how I got a loop back here? See how I got the loop?
Right.
So this can pull it in and out. That's what they call a service loop. Let me go turn it on, make sure it works. Oh, big money for that thing. Yeehaw. I don't know if there's even any water in it. Might not even have been punctured. Yeah, there was water in the other one, because when I took it out, there was water in it. We'll see what happens. A little cup or something. The other one worked, right? The other one, you had the other one hooked up?
Yeah. Yeah, this one said like...
Huh?
This one said like, push it in for 5 seconds, stop for 5 seconds, I don't know.
Who put this valve in?
This is a guy that actually was like a maintenance guy at Aerobox.
Alright, so that should be...
I couldn't ask him about it because he's already passed away.
He died?
Yeah, like a couple of years ago, committed suicide.
Really?
Yeah. Bad marriage?
No shit, huh? I would have killed her, never mind me. Huh?
Why, yeah, why punish yourself? Why?
Yeah, why punish yourself?
Yeah.
Bad marriage. Fucking joke. Get rid of her. Right? I would have did. Yeah, we got water. Water there, I mean, I was squirting out. So we're getting water. It's got to be something to do with that refrigerator, that solenoid. Just because it's new don't mean it's good, right? That's kind of odd, huh? There it comes.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, it really took a long time to come, huh? I would use a, you know, make a batch of ice and throw it out. The first batch.
Yeah.
That's what I would do. Okay, we're good. Are you happy there? No leaks? We can slide it in and out with a service loop. We just slide it right back. You see the way it is here with the loop?
Yeah, me too.
So it can come in and out, you know?
Right, okay.
I'm surprised this thing's so hard to push in and out, though.
It's actually easier to push in.
You know what it is? There's probably stops on the front here that they adjusted down.
Yeah.
So when you open the door, the thing doesn't roll on you. Sometimes there's little adjustments on the front there. The legs.
Right.
See, there's all different sizes.
Oh,
I just got this off eBay, actually.
Well prepared.
Huh? See it?
Oh, right.
First one I grabbed to come out. You can get these on, I got it on eBay, all the different sizes. Cheap money, $5 or something, $10 or whatever.
Aerator key?
Well, you should have came with the faucet. But yeah, I'm sure you threw it out like everybody else does. No, don't look dirty.
No.
It's just the flow restriction in that piece of shit. Look at the flow we're getting.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Unless there was stuff stuck up inside there. That's clean. You know what it is? Everybody's saving the planet. It's only 2.5 gallons a minute.
No, that's not calcium, Mike. That's stuff. Oh, that's yeah, you got that right.
Everybody's trying to save the planet, you know.
Hey, when we run out.
See, without this key, you're screwed. See what I'm saying?
Right.
Without that, how you gonna fix it? Let's see if it's any better now. Sometimes you just have to take it apart and give it, yo, how you doing? There you go. Look at that.
Wow.
Huh? Yeah.
Just doing that. Just doing that.
So you could probably grab some of these from. So yeah, what a difference, huh?
Well, we're in our 70s, man. There'll be electric.
There was probably all schmag coming in here.
Yeah.
And when I took it out, I blew it out, and now it's, look at that, huh?
That's
better.